Hi everyone, this is Josephine from Design by Josephine and Josie, and today's video is a Bridgerton inspired tablescape video. And I thought that it would be fun for me to do a tablescape that is inspired by the TV show Bridgerton. And let me tell you, this tablescape looks absolutely gorgeous. It looks so elegant and so sophisticated and so regal. And this is the type of tablescape that if you want to do a fancy dinner party, this is it. Okay, if you want to do a Bridgerton inspired dinner party, this is it. This is the tablescape. So if you're looking for inspiration and if you're looking to do a fancy dinner party, then you can definitely copy this tablescape. You can get inspired by this tablescape. This is the reason why I do all these tablescape videos, is for you to copy, for you to get inspiration, and this is just gorgeous. So before I get into all of the details of this beautiful tablescape, I wanted to say that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. And if you are into tablescapes, home decor, gardening, and how to entertain at home, you can definitely subscribe to my channel. It is free. And if you are a returning subscriber and you're watching one of my videos again, I want to say welcome back. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And once you subscribe to my channel, there's this little bell right next to the subscription button. Just click on the bell and click on the word all. So that way you will get a notification when I upload new videos on my channel. Now, I do post new videos every Sunday, but of course I'm thinking about posting more videos throughout the week. So that is the reason why it is so important to click on that bell. So that way you will get a notification when I upload new videos on my channel. So like I have mentioned, this tablescape is just absolutely gorgeous, and I am going to share all of the details. And also towards the end of the video, I am going to be talking about the outfit that I am wearing, and I'm going to be talking more about the dress that I'm wearing in today's video. I always try to add a little bit of fashion in my videos, so towards the end of the video, I am going to be talking about the dress that I am wearing. And so now let me go ahead and get started in the tablescape. Okay everyone, so of course in all of my tablescape videos, I always start off with the tablecloth. And this tablecloth is just absolutely gorgeous. I love this tablecloth. I love all of the intricate details of this tablecloth. This tablecloth truly reminds me of that Bridgerton inspired look, and so this is the reason why I have decided to use this beautiful tablecloth. And as you can see, it's gold and ivory, and I love the pattern that is on here, and it has that vintage pattern look, and I just love it. And this is the reason why I have decided to use this tablecloth. Now, I got this tablecloth at Amazon, so my mom and I got it at Amazon, and I will be linking it in my Amazon store. Now, moving along to the charger plate. So I have decided to use this beautiful detailed charger plate for today's tablescape. And I love this charger plate because it looks very regal, it looks very sophisticated, and it'll definitely go with the Bridgerton inspired theme for today's tablescape. And as far as the dinner plate, I am using a vintage dinner plate, a china set that is from Narataki. And here it is. I just love all of the details of this beautiful dinner plate, and I love the blue that's around the rim of the dinner plate, and also all of the floral detail that is on the dinner plate itself. There's pink flowers, blue flowers, and yellow flowers, and it just looks absolutely gorgeous. Now, moving along to the salad plate. Now, the salad plate is from a company that is called Lorraine Home Friends, and the pattern name is Isabella. And I love this salad plate because it goes perfect with the tablecloth, and also it goes perfect with the Noritake dinner plate. And I always talk about matching, mixing and matching dinner plates and salad plates and everything on the table, from glassware to silverware. I just love to mix and match because I really feel that it really brings a whimsical touch to a tablescape. And of course, the last plate that I am going to be using is a vintage plate. Now, of course, the last dish that I am going to be using in today's video is this beautiful bread and butter plate. And I just think just looks so pretty. It definitely goes with the salad plate and the dinner plate. And of course, the flowers that are on the bread and butter plate is also on the dinner plate as well. And I just think this looks absolutely gorgeous. It really gives that vintage Bridgerton vintage look that I was going for, and I just think it just looks absolutely gorgeous. Now, I am going to be going over the glassware. So this is the water glass that I have decided to go ahead and use, which is a blue water glass that have some flowers etched on it. And I'm also using this crystal dark fluted champagne crystal glass, which I think looks beautiful. And I am also using this beautiful wine glass that have some gold detail on it, which I think looks beautiful, and it goes with the set as well. It goes with everything. It goes with the dinner plate, the salad plate, and also the bread and butter plate, and also the tablecloth. And I am using this sherry glass, and again, this is from Longchamp, or this is from Crystal Dark, okay? And the name of the pattern is Longchamp on the sherry glass and also the champagne glass as well. Now, as far as the silverware, I am using Royal Albert's Old Country Roses silverware, which I think gives a very regal look for today's tablescape. And for the napkins, I am using this beautiful napkin ring that is a porcelain napkin ring that have some floral details on it because of the dinner plate and also the bread and butter plate. And of course, I layered two napkins. I have this beautiful gold napkin and this blue napkin, and as you can see, it goes really beautifully with the tablescape. It is just absolutely gorgeous. And I just put it in the corner here like that, and I just think it just looks so pretty. And I love this tablescape. I love the way that it turned out. It looks very regal. It looks very sophisticated. And so now I am going to go over more detail of the centerpiece. So here is the centerpiece. And as you can see, this is a beautiful centerpiece. I am actually using this beautiful vase, which is from Waterford. And in the bottom of the vase, I decided to use some glass grapes, which I feel bring a very regal look to the tablescape. And the table runner is actually a gold table runner. And I have decided to also add a beautiful crystal elements, some crystal candle holders, and other crystal items to the table. And I just think it just looks so pretty. And I also have a platter and also a vegetable bowl. And I also have some more Royal Albert silverware. And I just think it just looks so pretty. And I also have some Waterford crystal candle holders as well. And my mom is the one that actually put this beautiful floral arrangement together. I just feel like it is just so pretty, and it goes really nice with the tablescape. And I also decided to add some candelabras on the side of the table, on each side of the table, because I love using candelabras on my tablescape. And so now I am going to go ahead and do a tour of the table. Okay, so this is the fashion portion of today's video, and it is all about this beautiful dress that I am wearing. And this dress I have worn before in other videos, and it is a maxi dress, and it is flowy, it is really long, and it have the puff sleeves, and I have worn it off the shoulders in the other videos, but I have decided to wear it on the shoulders today, and I think it just looks beautiful on the shoulders and off the shoulders as well. It just looks so elegant and so sophisticated, and I just love the colors that are on this dress. And I'm actually wearing it with a black belt, but of course I have worn it without a belt as well, and it just looks beautiful with or without a belt. And I'm also wearing it with a pearl necklace and some pearl earrings, which look absolutely gorgeous as well. And I really truly feel like these type of dresses can be dressed up or dressed down. And like I have mentioned, this is a puff sleeve dress, and there's a little bit of a ruffle detail on the sleeves. And I just love it. I just think it just looks so pretty. And I just love all of the floral details on here, all of the floral elements, the pattern, the floral pattern just looks absolutely gorgeous. And like I have mentioned in the other video that I've worn this dress, I think this dress is no longer available at SHEIN, but I am going to see if I can find a dress that is very similar to this dress. So if you're looking for a dress like this one that I'm wearing, I am going to be listing it down below in the description box. And this is the type of dress that can be dressed up and dressed down. I actually wear it with some espadrilles, and it just looks absolutely gorgeous. So now I've done talking about the outfit. This is it, of course, for today's video, and I just want to say thank you for watching this Bridgerton inspired tablescape video. And I really truly had fun putting this tablescape together. It truly reminded me of the TV series Bridgerton. It just looks so beautiful and it looks so elegant, and I just love it. And this is the perfect tablescape to create if you are looking to do a Bridgerton themed dinner party. So that is it, and you can definitely follow me and all of my social media. All of the links are going to be down below in the description box. You can definitely join my Facebook group, and it's a way for me to interact with my subscribers. You can follow me on Instagram, and you can also follow me on TikTok. Yes, I am on TikTok, so you can follow me there as well. And I do have a blog, and I need to update it as well. And I do have many other things that I am planning to do in this channel. And my channel is growing, and I just want to say thank you to all of my wonderful subscribers. All of my wonderful subscribers who have been making comments in my video, who have subscribed to this channel. I just want to say thank you, and share my videos with your friends and family. So that is it for today's video, and I will be doing more tablescape videos, more home decor videos, more gardening videos, and more how to entertain at home videos. Bye-bye, and God bless.